How much money can you have on a Monzo card? Introduction. Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Monzo cards. Specifically, we're going to be answering the question, how much money can you have on a Monzo card? Now, I know that this might seem like a pretty basic question, but it's actually a really important one. After all, your Monzo card is your primary bank account, so you need to make sure that you're able to store enough money on it to cover your expenses. So, without further ado, let's get started. What is Monzo? Before we dive into the specifics of how much money you can have on a Monzo card, let's take a quick look at what Monzo actually is. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a range of financial products, including current accounts, debit cards, and overdrafts. Monzo is known for its innovative features, such as its budgeting tools and its ability to track your spending in real time. How much money can you have on a Monzo card? The amount of money that you can have on a Monzo card depends on your individual circumstances. However, there are a few general rules to keep in mind. Free Monzo account. If you have a free Monzo account, you can have up to £25,000 on your card. Monzo Plus account. If you have a Monzo Plus account, you can have up to £50,000 on your card. Monzo Premium account. If you have a Monzo Premium account, you can have up to £100,000 on your card. It's important to note that these are just the maximum amounts that you can have on your card. You can choose to have less money on your card if you want. How to increase your Monzo card limit. If you need to increase your Monzo card limit, you can do so by upgrading your account to a higher tier. For example, if you have a free Monzo account and you need to increase your limit to £50,000, you can upgrade to a Monzo Plus account. You can upgrade your Monzo account by logging into your online banking account and clicking on the upgrade button. What happens if you exceed your Monzo card limit? If you try to deposit more money onto your Monzo card than your limit, your transaction will be declined. You will also receive a notification from Monzo letting you know that you have exceeded your limit. How to withdraw money from your Monzo card. There are a few different ways to withdraw money from your Monzo card. ATM, you can withdraw money from any ATM in the world. Cashpoint, you can withdraw money from any Cashpoint in the UK. In-store, you can withdraw money from some retailers, such as Tesco and Sainsbury's. Bank transfer, you can transfer money from your Monzo account to another bank account. Conclusion. I hope this blog post has helped you to understand how much money you can have on a Monzo card. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Additional tips. Set a budget. It's a good idea to set a budget for how much money you want to spend each month. This will help you to avoid overspending. Track your spending. Monzo's budgeting tools can help you to track your spending and identify areas where you can save money. Use your card responsibly. It's important to use your Monzo card responsibly and only spend money that you can afford. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.